Welcome to Get Answered. WhatsApp lets users send messages, photos and videos instantly. However, there are times when we want to send a message at a specific time, such as birthday wishes, New Year wishes, greetings, etc. WhatsApp does not have a feature to schedule any message within the app. But there is an alternative available. Let's see how we can schedule WhatsApp messages. First, open Play Store on your Android device. Now search for SQEDit. Or visit the link in description. Now install the application. After it has finished installing, open the app. You need to create an account. If you have a Facebook account, you can sign in with that. Click on Create Account. Enter your name, email ID, and password. Then click on Create Account button. It will ask for verification. Enter the code you have received on your mail. Then click Verify Email. On the home screen you will see different options available, where you can schedule messages. Now click on WhatsApp. It will ask for permission. Click on Enable Accessibility option. Now select on More Download Services. Click on SQEDit and turn it on. Go back to the app. Add the sender. For that, tap on Add WhatsApp Recipients to above the message panel. Now select the contact. After selecting, go to the SQEDit app. Now type the message that you wish to send. Select date and time. Also, you can attach an image, document, audio file. It may ask for other settings like disable lock screen, change battery optimization. Provide all the permission, otherwise your message will get failed. Now you don't need to do anything. It will send the message on the scheduled date and time. Drop a like if you think this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Something in my mind, it's within the